你好，
你好，
我叫嘉安。
我叫陆迅。
And today we will be presenting 我们的旅到中国 our trip to China.
一谈我的妈妈、爸爸、妹妹和我在飞机从美国到中国，我们过北京和西安。
So this is us getting ready, our family getting ready for our big trip to Zhonghua, which in English means China.
This is my family, 爸爸、妈妈、妹妹和我。
Okay, Beijing. 在北京，我们去了长城和故宫。我们吃口鸭和葱油饼。So we tried the Beijing duck and the onion pancakes.
And we went to the Great Wall and the Imperial Palace.
Yes. So this is me on the Great Wall.
And this is my dad and I at a Chinese restaurant trying the Beijing duck.
Xi'an.
在
西安，我们吃面和包子。在西安，我们去了兵马俑。
So this is Bing Mayo, which is the Forbidden City, which is known as the Forbidden City. And it is also the Terracotta Warriors. Mian is noodles, or noodles, and then Vizi is a type of
Baozi is a type of
like
a bun.
Yeah.
The end.